Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Let's Go Eevee and Pikachu on your PC using the Yuzu Emulator. First, you'll need to download and install Yuzu from its official site. Make sure your computer meets the minimum specifications for smooth gameplay. Installing the latest graphics drivers is also crucial for the best experience, ensuring everything runs well. Next, you'll need to obtain the game files. The only legal way is to dump your own copy of Pokémon Let's Go Eevee or Pikachu directly from your Nintendo Switch console. Once dumped, transfer these files to a designated folder on your PC. You will also need the console's firmware and decryption keys for Yuzu to properly recognize and run the game. Now, let's configure Yuzu. Open the emulator and add the folder where your game files are stored. Adjust the graphics settings to balance visual quality and performance, depending on your PC's capabilities. Finally, set up your controls, whether you're using a keyboard, mouse, or a compatible gamepad, ensuring a comfortable and responsive playing experience. With everything set up, you're ready to play. Simply double-click Pokémon Let's Go Eevee or Pikachu within the Yuzu interface to launch the game. Enjoy your adventure in the Kanto region on your personal computer. If you encounter any performance issues, try adjusting Yuzu's settings or updating your drivers to optimize your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.